Humans are amazing. We're constantly trying to improve life, work, and society by challenging the status quo, advancing ideas, making them better, more efficient, smarter. And think about it, we now have self-driving cars and wearables that track our health and have robots that dance. Yet, why aren't we smarter when it comes to giving businesses a modern way to manage payments? Enter Corpay. With expense management software so smart that we replace those outdated, manual, and disjointed processes with a digital and integrated solution so you can control spend and pay vendors easier. An award-winning cross-border payment platform so smart that we can virtually pay anyone, anywhere, by moving money through our local network versus a big bank, and help you manage currency risk, minimize payment errors, and make your international payments more secure. And one commercial card program so smart that it works in virtually every payment situation. Supplies, travel and lodging, fuel, even EV charging if you have mixed fleets. Everything. And you get competitive payment terms, customized controls, and over 180 types of alerts to help reduce fraud. That's the modern-day, smarter way to simplify how your business manages, tracks, and pays expenses. Corpay, a smarter payments company.